guys, so today we have Num Nums Munch Box. This is an allergy-friendly snack subscription box.
Ooh,
I
cool.
know. You can select a snack preference based on your dietary needs. So we selected the top 8 allergen-free. Okay? So why don't we get started and check it out?
Yeah. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, it comes with a list of what's in the box. That's awesome. Aw, we hope you enjoy your snacks and have a happy and safe holiday.
You can
Nice.
just pause that and see that if you want to look at that.
Oh, that tells you what is in the Yum Earth Organics lollipops that are right there.
Look at this thing. I'll get this one. Can we open them?
Sure, go ahead and open them. These are certified organic, no artificial dyes, tree nut free, real fruit extract, 100% natural flavors, gluten free, peanut free, soy free, dairy free, fat free, 100% vegan.
It's hard to open it.
Here, I'll give you guys a paper towel in case.
I haven't even opened mine yet.
Is it sour, Michael?
No, it's just kind of a weird zingy taste to it.
Zingy?
Can I taste it? Oh yeah, she got cherry. That's a good flavor. Don't really. Ooh, it's out here.
See what else is inside.
Get this.
Oh, Terra chips.
What are
We
they?
got the original Terra chips.
Michael?
Sea salt flavored. which
Michael?
I
You
think
can
you will
open
like.
it. I like how she just gives them right to me. See this. I should show you.
Oh, you
You
love
know I love
Michael's
these.
chips. Yeah.
I, on the other hand, do not. That's very good. I like. Oh yeah, but oh my god, they seal these things tight. Like, whoa, they fly in your face. Oh my god, they almost did. He shook his head like. Here, let me try one. I don't know what this is.
There's all different ones in there, right? I think there's like parsnip and different types of veggie.
They're not bad.
Yeah.
They're very crunchy. I saw these. I know what they taste like. But
You love them, right?
do I even want to try these?
You could try them again. Those are the Plantels Margarita Pizza Lentil Chips. She loves them.
Good one.
Oh, cinnamon apple chips
Go.
by Bear. Sounds good.
There's some little things at the bottom. Go. These are like so good. There's a. I'm trying to open it when there's a pull tab right here. They sure don't smell good. They don't taste good either.
No? Oh, you both don't like that one. Okay.
Gonna wash the flavor out.
Wash it down with a lentil chip.
What the the heck are those? Let's try this fruit snack.
What is that? Let's see the front. Disney Fruit Crisps, strawberries and bananas.
Oh boy. Just because I'm not a fan of these either. Watch the flavor out. I need more of these. I don't got anything good over here. Oh no.
Oh, what's that? Oh.
She just pushes it down with the lentil chip. Let's try these.
Ah, Enjoy Life Vanilla Honey Graham Cookies.
Oh, enjoy life?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. I guess I could tear it too, but I want to open it. What the heck are those? There's like cool stuff in here, but interesting stuff. It's cool stuff, but might not taste good stuff.
You don't know until you try, right?
I'm sorry I'm eating these all. They're just so good. Yeah. Oh, that's cookie. Well, parts of a cookie. That's really sweet and good. Just bite the thing.
Good?
At least I got some finally to wash down. Let me eat it all then. This one.
Oh, what's that one? Oh, Key Lime Tarts by St. Clair's Organic.
Getting it through. Getting it through. If they're really bad, Lindsey, I'm not trying them. But you're going to be trying it first. What? You want to smell it? Here, it smells delicious.
Oh my God.
You mean it smells horrible? Here.
It might taste really good.
Here, take it. You can wash it down, don't worry.
Come on, give it a try.
I'm just gonna give it a lick first. I don't. It's not as bad as I thought it would be.
Yeah. It's like a lime flavor. Oh.
Never mind.
Was it like a hard candy?
Oh. What else we got in here? Look at this.
Ah, just fruit bar. Apple blueberry.
Oh, great.
You might like that.
I never tried blueberries. Oh, God. Why? It looks so weird. It's like a chocolate bar. But you can fool someone with this. Prank. It says, here's your chocolate bar. It's still a little soft. It looks nothing like a chocolate bar. Looks like a raisin. Oh, God. Wash it down with the cookie. I thought you were going to like shove that in my mouth.
Oh, Enjoy Life. What do we have? Oh, Coco Loco Baked Chewy Bar.
This is probably better than most things. Give me that.
He likes that, huh? What about you? You like it too, Lee?
It's good, it's
Yeah,
good.
good.
I just took a bite out of it.
You can't get enough of those lentil chips.
I like the green ones better.
Yeah, oh, the dill, I think, right?
We might as well get this one over with.
Oh, what? Turn it the other way? What's that one? Oh, double chocolate chip granola bar. That sounds good.
The granola part. Granola is the part.
By Lieber Naturals.
Anything natural seems not to taste good, I noticed. For me.
Oh.
So far, this is my favorite. Because you know I love these. They're so good. I need the green ones. They're my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
Just send me a big box of them. I'll be happy all year.
Really, Michael? It's hard to get out. We're gonna try this.
So?
At least I swallowed it.
Yeah.
This one.
That is fruit chia. All natural fruit and chia seed bar.
Scared.
The tear strips right here.
Oh.
She's like tearing apart. They say not to strip. It's one of those. Run for your lives!
Ooh, that looks interesting.
Don't give me the big piece! What are you thinking? Nuts one. Here. Oh my gosh, she just gives me the whole bar.
And seeds.
Eee. I know, I see seeds in it.
No good? Oh.
I need my Choco Loco bar.
That's Zigo Apple Cinnamon Bar.
What's up with all these like weird bars? I just don't get
You
it.
like apple cinnamon, actually. You've had a Enjoy Life apple cinnamon bar.
like
so you might like
cinnamon.
that. Yeah.
I have cinnamon Pop-Tarts. They're good.
There's seeds in this. I mean, it doesn't smell too bad, but it's seedy. No.
Seedy.
Oh my god, I just pulled up the whole thing. Let's go with the next thing.
Which is that? Fruit Bliss Minifigs.
I never tried a fig.
No.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. Look at these things. I'm actually gonna open up inside.
I'll let you taste it first.
No, you. Oh.
I don't know if I can even try this actually.
I got it.
Okay, from that result,
How was that?
No, you have to taste it.
what do I taste? I'll taste the small one. That's no good.
No?
Oh, I like how she tastes my stuff. Well, at least I got my choco bar.
You know what's really awesome with these boxes is that you can customize it to your needs. Like if you needed dairy-free, peanut, tree nut-free, gluten-free, top 8 allergen-free, like what we got, vegan. You can even customize it by emailing them, and they will tailor it to your specific needs, which is really, really awesome, right? So guys, let's remind everyone, which ones did you like?
Michael?
The choco one.
Oh, the Coco Loco Enjoy Life bar. Okay.
Anything else?
Over here?
What about the Terra chips? You kind of like some of those, right?
Yeah, these.
Different ones, yeah.
Some of them.
Oh, you like the cookies too, the Enjoy Life cookies. Lindsay likes the lentil chips.
I don't know how she likes them.
And of course you like the lollipops, the Yum Earth Pops.
Yeah. And we like the cookies.
I would dare you to try these
If you had some. We never tasted them. Oh yeah.
So we must thank Num Nums Munch Box again for sending this to us. This was
Thank
awesome.
you. Thank you. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Looks like a tortilla.
Ugh.
Definitely not a tortilla. No.
Bye.
Bye. Ugh.
Nom 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 nom.